Hello my guys and welcome to another episode. In this episode I have a new installation. I'm doing LEDs on a 2004 Toyota Tundra. In the package we have gloves, instructions, and the LEDs. I'm going to show you how to do the installation because these ones they have high and low beam included, same like regular bulbs, like the stock bulbs. So you're going to see big difference with these LEDs. So plug and play, and it goes one way. So you're going to have the high and low beam. As you can see, this light is only one way, so you're not gonna get confused. The two little lips on the bottom go down. That one is gonna face up. That's the way you do the installation, and then you just put the clip to secure it in place. Then you put the cover and then plug it in. That's it. Once you have the cover in place, just plug it in. Same way that you have the original one, and that's it. Installation is done. That's the new Auxito LED, and that's the original one. Original Auxito. Passenger side, same thing. As a reference, Auxito has to be on top. Two clips on the bottom, top clip on top, and that's it. Abajo, alta, abajo, a ver otra vez, high beam, bajo, low beam, abajo, arriba, abajo. There you have it guys, installation of the Auxito on this 2004 super loud Toyota Tundra. I'm gonna leave the link in the description for those lights. Super easy, super simple. Actually I did these lights, another type of light, on another 2019, it was 2006 Tundra, and it was the brother of my customer. I did his Tundra long time ago. Now I'm doing his brother's Tundra with this Auxito 9003 LEDs. So there you have it guys, it's raining, kind of ugly the weather, but that's the installation on the LEDs. I'm gonna leave the link in the description like I said for those lights, and they look really bright in camera, but actually they're not that bad. You're not gonna blind oncoming traffic. In case you can just lower them down. So there you have it, guys. I hope you like this episode. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.